Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to talk about how you can see full size profile on Instagram. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, check that your Instagram application is updated or not. If it isn't, then update it. After that, open up Instagram application on your device and make sure your account is logged in. If it isn't, then make sure to log in to follow along. Anyways, so after logging in, tap on the search icon at the bottom and search for the account whose profile picture you want to see. Once you have searched and opened their account, what you need to do is just tap and hold on their profile picture and it will automatically open up completely. You can also try this trick with different accounts, and that's how you can see full size picture over on Instagram. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.